guys, assalamu alaikum, it's Jenna G, that's me, the JGM. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using this. We call it here in Trinidad bhaigan, melanjan. People also refer to it as eggplant. Now you're probably thinking, well, if I'm going to be using this, most likely, well actually you guys can comment below and let me know what is the first thing you think about when you think about bhaigan or eggplant or melanjan. Probably thinking bhaigan choka or something along those lines, right? Curry bhaigan and aloo. Today's video we're actually going to be using this to make eggplant pizza. It's pretty easy, it's pretty simple, and you will love it. The kids will love it, the family will love it. It's a great idea for dinner. You can even have it as a side dish, whatever you like, but it's going to be delicious. So the first thing in choosing this, you want to make sure that it's not too soft. Like normally when we're using it for bhaigan choka, for example, you want to make sure it is soft inside when you squeeze it. That's so that ensure, you know, when you roast it, it's extra nice and soft. The flesh inside is extra nice and soft. But this now we want to keep it a little firm. So all you're going to be doing is just slicing it up. We're going to be baking it. Then we're going to take it back of the oven. We're going to add some tomato paste or spaghetti sauce and some little vegetables on top of it. You will love it. Alright guys, and these are our basic ingredients for our eggplant pizza. I've got myself some mozzarella cheese, but you can use cheddar cheese if you want. Cheddar cheese is a little bit oily, I think, so I prefer to use some mozzarella. You can even mix it. I've got my sliced eggplant, melanjan or bhaigan, and you can see the size of it here. I'm adding some tomato as my topping, some spinach, and I'm going to be using some JGM Products complete seasoning, some garlic powder, some whole oregano. I've got myself some spaghetti sauce and some olive oil there as well. Alright guys, so for the first step, basically I have the sliced melanjan eggplant here, and I combine my complete seasoning, garlic powder, my olive oil and the oregano, and all I'm going to be doing is just coating each side with the mixture and then putting it onto a baking tray. We're going to put this to bake. So you just want to take some of your mixture and just basically rub it in on both sides. Now the complete seasoning, it's MSG free, and it also has salt in it already, so you don't need to add any extra salt. So you're just going to basically do this to all your slices, and we're going to put it to bake. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Coated it with olive oil, complete seasoning, garlic powder, and some oregano. And we're just going to pop this in the oven at 400 degrees and let it bake for about 15 minutes. Alright guys, so let's take it out. It's been 15 minutes, baking at 400 degrees. And we're just going to take it out of the oven. This is what it looks like. And we're just going to flip them over and finish off the process. So now that they're out of the oven, we're going to flip them over and just coat each one with spaghetti sauce. Now you can top it with just about anything you want, but today I'm just going to be putting some spinach leaves on it for that, you know, healthy twist, and some tomatoes. That's what they look so far, and you just have to top it with some mozzarella cheese now. So now we're just going to sprinkle cheese. Like I mentioned, I'm using a little mozzarella because it's less oily than the cheddar. And if you want to keep it as a healthy snack, you don't add too much of the mozzarella. Add just about any amount that you want to do. It's all up to you. have fun with it. Now you're going to pop these back into the oven just until the cheese is nicely melted. So after 10 minutes of baking with the cheese, spinach and tomato on it, this is what they look like. So I did 6 with some extra topping of the mozzarella, and on these 6 here I didn't put as much cheese on it. So it's up to you. You can have fun with it. Add as much cheese as you would like, add as much spaghetti sauce or tomato paste as you would like, and you can add, just put any vegetable as well. Alright guys, and that is all for our eggplant pizza. Now it is a little bit different from the typical Trini style cooking or typical Trini use of bhaigan, melange and eggplant. But it's absolutely delicious, and it's a great idea for you to try for the kids. It's a great dinner idea as well as a side dish, any way you like it. But as I said, it's pretty simple to make, and you can add in any vegetable you want in it. You can even try adding some meat, some little minced chicken or minced beef, either one, whichever one you prefer. Try it out, or why not even add some shrimp? That might go down good, so we can try it out another time. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share with all your friends and your family. Share with somebody who might be thinking bhaigan choka when they hear bhaigan, but actually see eggplant pizza. Totally different names, totally different cooking styles, but hey, it's definitely worth a try. So thanks so much for watching again. Hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the notification button as well. That's to make sure that you get all my videos every time I upload it, so you will not be left out. And also share with all your friends and your family, and follow me on Instagram for my daily posts on my different food adventures. So I will see you guys in the next video.